Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. So the question is, in future all cars and buses will be driverless. The only people traveling inside will be passengers. Do you think the advantages of driverless cars will outweigh the disadvantages? So in this question, we'll have to tell both things, advantages as well as disadvantages, and also tell if the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. Like in this case, I've said yes, advantages do outweigh the disadvantages. So let's look at the advantages first. First one is safety. Driverless vehicles can eliminate human error, which is a major factor in most accidents. Most accidents we know are caused due to human errors, not wearing seat belts, drunk driving. These are major causes for accidents. So driverless cars will remove all these kind of issues. This could lead to a significant reduction in road fatalities and injuries. Road fatalities is death due to road accidents. Second is reduce traffic congestion. Autonomous vehicles can communicate with each other and traffic infrastructure, optimizing traffic flow, reducing congestion, and saving time for passengers. Autonomous vehicles can communicate with each other. They have radar technology through which they can communicate with each other. Communication could be, they can sense. Autonomous vehicles have bigger sensors, better sensors, so they will know the distance between the vehicle. Like what is the distance between one vehicle from the left hand side? What is the distance between the vehicles between left, right, or with any forward or back? Okay, so through these technologies like radar or by using Google Maps, it can help in reducing traffic congestion. Okay, and saving time for passengers. Also, this reduction in traffic congestion can reduce travel time for passengers. Okay. Third one is increased mobility. People who cannot drive due to age, disability, or other reasons would get newfound independence and mobility, improving the quality of life. Since it is very difficult for old age folks to drive around, so driverless cars will give them extra comfort. They can also go around, they can also move around different places. They would not have to rely on someone, or they do not have to rely on themselves to drive a car. They can just sit back and enjoy the journey. Okay. The fourth one is time savior. Passengers can use their travel time for work, relaxation, or entertainment, making commutes more productive and enjoyable. Passengers, like people sitting on the back seat, can enjoy the travel more, or they can use their iPads, or they can work on the computer. So this would lead to more productivity, and they do not have to stress. They do not have to waste their time on driving their car. They can do something fruitful. Okay, something better. Now what are the disadvantages? The first disadvantage is job displacement. Widespread adoption of driverless vehicles could displace millions of jobs in industries like transportation, logistics, and even emergency services. There would be a job loss. Since machines will run cars, you will not require drivers. So it will eliminate jobs of taxi drivers, bus driver, even emergency services like ambulances. Ambulances will run by themselves. They will not need another driver to run the ambulance. Okay. Second one is infrastructure and implementation cost. Building the necessary infrastructure and developing the technology for driverless vehicles will require substantial investments and time, because driverless technology is very much the nascent time. It is very new. So it will be very difficult. It will require lots of investment for its growth. Okay, it will require lots of investment for the technology itself. Okay, so this will be very expensive. and that is one of the demerits of driverless cars. Okay, so this is the question, and these are some salient points what you can write for this question. Again, many people will say the disadvantages outweigh the advantages. They can elaborate further, like I've said about job loss and infrastructure. They can also talk about some people love driving, okay, and they do not want driverless cars, or machines also make mistakes, and any mistake can lead to an error. So these are some of the disadvantages of driverless cars, okay, at the current stature. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button